in operator. So generally in operator is used if you want to retrieve rows from a group of values. So this in operator will retrieve the rows where value of a column in the given values. So if any value that exists in the given values, group of values, then you can use this in operator. Okay, if you can see here, select start from students where age in. The age value should be in out of all these group of values 28, 21, 34, 45. Out of all these values, if any value of age exists here, that row will get in the output, that row will be retrieved, right? Here 21 and 45 have the rows, so they both the rows have been retrieved in a group of value. If you want few values in that, then you can use this in operator. So that is how we can use this in operator. That is, this is we can also use or operator like this, but instead of or, if you use or operator, then we have to write lengthy of code. So that's why we are using in operator. This can be completed within single line itself. So here also in the second example also, where name in, out of all these names, if any name matches our table, then we will get retrieved those rows only. Okay, so that's how we can use this in operator. And then next operator is between operator. If the column values lies between value 1 and value 2, if it lies between those two values, those values will get retrieved. If it lies between the first value and second value, then that is gonna be get retrieved off. So here between 24 and 50, so between 24 and 50 we have 2, 45 and 46, so those two got retrieved. That's how we can use this between operator and in operator. Okay, so next let us know about the limit and offset. So they both are used to control how many rows you want to see from a table. So limit means it will show only first n rows. Okay, it will show only first n rows, the next rows will be get skipped off. And offset means it will skip the first n rows and then start following the data. If you can observe, limit means only a set of values. Offset means it will just skip some values, it will just skip some n rows of values and then start following the data. For example, here if you can see, limit to 2, that means only the first two values you will get. Okay, limit 3 means first 3 values you will get. Next, offset, it will skip the first n rows and then start following the data. So here if you can see offset 2, it will skip the first 2 rows and follow the next data. And then select start from students. Here we are using both limit and offset. Limit 3, only the first 3 rows, and offset 0. That means from the starting 3 rows should be printed. That's how we can use a limit and offset. And then next, alias. Alias is nothing but it is a temporary name given to a column. We can give this name to the column as well as we can also give it for table as well. To make the queries more shorter, and if you use this alias, they will be easy to read also. So for that purpose we can use this alias AS. So here actually my column name is student name, right? Student underscore name. I am using this column name and I am writing as name only. So select student name as name from learners. So student, instead of student name we will get name only. So that's how we can use this as alias. And so here you can see the column name became from student name to name. And then second one also, from age to student age. I was changing from age to student age. That's how we can use this alias. So from one name to you can change it to another name for more easier to understand and shorter queries.